constrain girls and women into spaces na hindi naabot ng ang tunay na potential natin. No? So today, that is what we're doing. So all the girls here today, are you interested in STEM subjects?
Yeah! Before I start, I would like to give my deepest appreciations from the 𝗕𝗁𝗵𝗶𝗹 for making this program and giving it to us, making us experience this wonderful program. This workshop experience, they really opened my eyes how fun a subject that was super hard for me in the past. It just gave me more hope to continue this aspect and subject because I was like, no, I don't want to continue robotics, I don't want to explore it. But today was so fun that I really should pursue robotics and explore more parts of it. Especially the t-shirt, this will give me so much memories that I can give and wherever I go.